Changing your business category on GoCardless is a straightforward process that helps ensure your account aligns with your current business operations. Follow these steps to update your category. Step 1. Log into your GoCardless account. Access your GoCardless account by visiting the website and entering your login credentials. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to make changes to your business information. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings section. This is typically found in the dashboard menu, often represented by a gear icon or labeled as settings. Step 3. Select business information. Within the account settings, find the option for business information or profile settings. This section contains details about your business, including the current category. Step 4. Update your business category. Look for the field that lists your current business category. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu or input field where you can select or enter your new category. Choose the category that best fits your business operations. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your new business category, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page and click it to ensure your new category is recorded. By following these steps, you can successfully change your business category on GoCardless. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to GoCardless support for assistance.